Ever heard of a king who revolutionized warfare and built an empire from scratch, all in a single lifetime? Today, we're diving into the epic story of Shaka Zulu, a name that echoes through the hills of southern Africa. Get ready, because this is a tale of exile, innovation, and an unyielding will to power. Born around 1787, Shaka's early life was anything but royal. He was the illegitimate son of a Zulu chief and was exiled with his mother Nandi. They faced immense hardship, wandering from clan to clan, which forged a resilience in Shaka that would define his future. This wasn't just a tough childhood, it was a crucible, shaping a boy into a leader who understood struggle and survival firsthand. As a young man, his imposing physique and sharp intellect caught the eye of Dingiswayo, the powerful chief of the Minthethwa. Under Dingiswayo's mentorship, Shaka didn't just become a warrior. He became a military genius. He observed the traditional fighting methods and saw their flaws. Long, clumsy, throwing spears. He replaced them with a short, stabbing spear called the Ikawa, named for the sound it made when pulled from an enemy. This forced his warriors into close-quarters combat, a brutal but incredibly effective tactic. But Shaka's innovations didn't stop there. He developed the famous buffalo horns formation, a tactical masterpiece. The chest of the formation would meet the enemy head-on, while the horns would encircle and crush them from the sides. He also introduced larger, stronger shields and drilled his soldiers relentlessly, making them run barefoot for miles to toughen their feet. His army, the MP, became the most disciplined and feared fighting force in the region. When his father, the Zulu chief, passed away, Shaka, with Dingiswayo's backing, seized the Zulu throne. He wasn't content with leading a small clan. He immediately began a campaign of conquest and consolidation. One by one, he defeated neighboring clans, not just vanquishing them, but absorbing them into his growing Zulu Kingdom. He offered a choice: join the Zulu nation and prosper, or be utterly destroyed. This period, known as the Mufikan, or the Crushing, was a time of immense upheaval, as Shaka's expansion sent shockwaves across southern Africa, displacing peoples and reshaping the political landscape forever. At Hitsaig, the Zulu Kingdom under Shaka was a formidable empire. His rule was absolute, and his laws were strict. But it was his mother's death that marked a dark turn. Grief-stricken, Shaka descended into a period of erratic and tyrannical behavior, ordering mass executions and imposing extreme mourning rituals that crippled his own kingdom. His iron grip began to sow dissent among his people and even his own family. In 1828, Shaka's reign came to a violent end. He was assassinated by his own half-brothers, Dingan and Mili, who saw him as a threat to their own ambitions and the stability of the kingdom. Shaka died without a legitimate heir, leaving behind a powerful but volatile empire. Shaka Zulu's legacy is complex and fiercely debated. Was he a visionary nation-builder who united a people and created a powerful African state? Or was he a ruthless tyrant whose conquests brought widespread devastation? The truth, as it often is, likely lies somewhere in between. What is undeniable is his impact. He transformed a small clan into a mighty empire and changed the course of southern African history forever. His military strategies are still studied today, a testament to a brilliant, if brutal, mind. What do you think of Shaka's story? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into history, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic dailies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.